Okay, here we are, the finished product. Uncle Joe's Pizzeria by CUTEBEE. This is a DIY miniature house. In this case, it is a pizzeria. And it is filled with all sorts of things to look at. We've got carts and tables, chairs, pizza boxes. We have a vending machine inside the door. We have a door that opens and closes. Inside, you can see that there are lights. Looks like I got a little glue on the window I need to clean up. Very, very cool. This is just a really fun project, whether you're just trying to find something to do to get lost in your own head and relax, or if you have someone with idle hands that wants something to put together. This is a fun project. Check it out. They have other styles available. Thanks for watching.